Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma, GGN. Today I'll show you how to make barbecue catfish. Point and kill, the Nigerian way. Let's get right into the kitchen. Come with me. I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Meanwhile, please like, comment, subscribe and share the video. The first step is to wash the fish, but you can't just wash the fish, put it under the water and wash it. No, you have to first use salt. Yes, you heard me right. Use salt to scrub the fish to remove the slimy substance that is on the fish. Then wash it off. Next, you use lemon juice. Lemon juice also helps to wash out the slimy substance that is on the fish. If you don't wash it out, if you don't clean it very well, you will not enjoy your catfish. You will not, even if you use all the ingredients in the world to cook it. No, you will not enjoy it. So, first of all, and most importantly, you have to clean the fish by washing off the slimy substance that is on the skin of the fish. Note, highly important. Now I'm going to blend the chili pepper and onion. Just like I said earlier, all the ingredients, I will list all of them down in the description box. So make sure you go there to check out the ingredients. Blend the chili pepper and onion. Next, we begin to mix the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger, black pepper, and seasoning powder. Then you add the blended pepper and onions and mix very well. If you like, you can add salt. I didn't add salt to this mixture because the seasoning cube has a lot of salt, so I'm not going to add salt again. Yeah, that's it. This is the ingredients that you will use to make the catfish grill. Now, cut out aluminum pepper the same size as the fish. Place the fish on top of the aluminum pepper. Make small cuts, like incisions, cuts on both sides of the fish. Now when you begin to rub the ingredients on the fish, you make sure that you put the ingredients inside those cuts so that they will penetrate inside the fish, and in that way, when the fish is grilled, it will be very tasteful. If you don't make the cuts, the ingredients will not get into the fish, like into the fish, deep into the fish, inside the fish, inside and into. They are the same thing, Abi. They are the same thing, I beg. May we leave them like that. So, yeah. Now you begin to add the ingredients, rub the ingredients, the mixture on the fish. Make sure you rub every part of the fish with the mixture, and then later you place onion, raw onion. The taste of the onion, the aroma of the onion when the fish is grilled is wow, is something else. Now you wrap the fish in the aluminum foil and cut out 2 more aluminium foils. Yeah, aluminium foil. Yeah. The reason is so that it doesn't open while it is still inside the oven, just to secure it very well. Okay, when you have secured it, you place it on an oven rack, and that's it. You put it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes, like, in between 45 minutes at 180 degrees, and then it is ready. Point and kill. Oh, this point and kill is spoils things. It spoils things. Or they maybe even. If you just set it aside with maybe one chilled bottle of Radler, Star Radler. Well, that's my brand anyway. Now you know. So that when you're inviting me out, we're taking me out tomorrow, one chill bottle of Radler, or if you are like my sister, Henneken. And your point and kill grill is ready. Before you settle down to enjoy it with this vegetable, please click the like button, subscribe, and comment, and most importantly, share so that people will see my video, so that people will appreciate what I'm doing. Now I am going to test it because I cooked it, I prepared, so I'll test it and tell you how it is. Fish barbecue. Now we are going to test it. Very delicious. Very delicious. Make yours at home and let me know how it comes out, okay? And if you like what I did here, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and also subscribe if you have not. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.